Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a common issue in Salesforce Lightning Web Components when displaying dates. We're going to look at how the time zone can affect date displays and how you can resolve it using time zone UTC attribute. So let me walk you through the problem. Let's say you pass a date like April 5th, 2025 to your LWC component, but it is displayed as April 4th, 2025. Let's see why this is happening. Now since we didn't specify a time, JavaScript assumes it's midnight on that day, but it's midnight in your local time zone, not in UTC. If your org or browser is in a different time zone from UTC, like GMT-4, which is my time zone currently, the date will get shifted. For example, April 5th, 2025 is interpreted as April 5th, 2025 midnight, but when adjusted for local time zone, it becomes April 4th, 8 p.m., causing the date to display as April 4th instead of April 5th. Now here's how to fix it. All you need to do is add the time zone UTC attribute to the Lightning formatted datetime component. This forces the component to display the date in UTC without applying any local time zone adjustments. So now April 5th, 2025 is treated as midnight UTC and component will display April 5th exactly as expected. Here's what code looks like with the fix. So in the first line, without time zone UTC, the date is displayed is based on the local time zone. In the second line, with the time zone UTC is displayed in the UTC, ensuring consistency across different time zones. This is how it looks like on the website. So to wrap it up, when you are working with raw dates without timestamps, always set a time zone explicitly by adding time zone UTC. You ensure the date is displayed correctly no matter what time zone the user is in. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Salesforce tips. See you in the next video.